Okay, I know you were heading to the inauguration and you can't leave home without this unique Obama Yes We Can decal. Remember, on all of his literature he had this circle, so I've created a unique self-adhesive window decal that you can purchase at obama.decals@gmail.com or call me. Let me show you the different varieties. Self-adhesive, putting it on your own car, on your office door. This is a must-have. You won't, it's not another t-shirt. You've got to get it. You've got to purchase them in time to get to the inauguration and show your support. Say, yes, we can. 284-3221. I can get them for you in red, white, and blue. 5-inch around. Put them on your car, on office windows, make them for Christmas gifts. I can get them in a variety of colors, and I can even get them in our classic, beautiful, etched glass image we're showing here on this office door. Yes, goes even on the car for the guy who doesn't want to do a decal. Yes, yes we can. Obama Circle support of Yes We Can. Call me 284-3221, 284-3221. That's area code 850, or hit me up at obamadecals@gmail.com. Order them in time, $5 a piece. Reduce order for purchases, large purchases. Okay, I know I'm bumbling, but I want to get something out there. Yes, we can. Get your decals, not another t-shirt. Thanks, I look to hear from you. Peace.